Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Soni. Today, I bring in cost center budgeting. It is a new concept which has been introduced by SAP in S4 HANA 1809. It is a complete new concept. Earlier, we were able to do a budgeting based of internal order and in PS module and fund management, right? But we never did a cost center budgeting. So in many industries and many people and many consultants was eagerly to want to do a cost center budgeting, but there was no any concept, there was no any place where we can do a cost center based budgeting. So there are some business functionality and business function which we need to like activated. After activation of that business function, there would be some path will be enabled in SPRO under that cost center. I'll show you. SPRO controlling cost center accounting. This is the budget management and budget availability control for cost center. So before going to do a configurations for cost center budgeting, first we need to do a create like a financial statement that is in OB58. Yeah, yeah, OB58. So I have already created one FSV version, that is financial statement version. So that will give you idea that how we can create a FSV. This is the OB58. Yeah, FSV for cost center budgeting. In financial statement item, there is one object cost center budget I have created, and within a COST that object there are four GL account. This is the profit and loss GL account. So whatever the cost center based budget what we are going to like applicable, so that will be applicable for this GL account. Yeah, so this is the first part which we need to perform and need to like create the cost center budgeting, that on which GL account would you like to control the budget based on your cost center. Yeah, so this is the first step. Now go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, go to controlling, go to cost center accounting, budget management. First we need to create a profile, that is a defined budget planning profile. Here are some standard profile is available by SAP. You may create your own as per your choice. So I am using a COST 00, annual value and period value that will be applicable. Then go back. Then go to budget availability control for cost center. Then go to maintain budget availability control profile for cost center. Execute. Here would be your profile. We need to create your profile what you have just created earlier. So I have already just created over here. You need to select a ability control type, that would be cost center, time range, annual, what would be your budget currency type. Now select your profile line, go to account group. This is your FSV which you have created in OB58. Then the cost, this is your object where I had created or assigned the 4GL account which belongs to your profit and loss account. So my complete and my profile, that will be activated and that will work for with reference of this financial statement version, and whatever the cost center budgeting, that will be activated. So that control only these 4GL accounts which I have created in FSV. Now just select line item and the tolerance limit. Here I am giving the for all activity and 100% for error. You may create a new line item here with all activity types with the warning. Let's example 90% would be your warning and 100% would be your error. So that can be a control over here. I have selected all activity groups. Reason behind it, I want to control each and every transactions, including your purchase order, your material issues, your journal voucher, your vendor invoice, everything. But if you want to control the specific transaction, let's say example purchase order, purchase requisitions, for HR payroll, you can select and you can create on base of that group. But I would prefer to activate the cost center budgeting on all activity group, and you can define as per your wish, like 80% or like 90%, that would be your warning. Just select warning and assign 90%, and another line item that would be for error, and that error will comes at 100%. Now select your save your transaction, go back. Now maintain category for planning. Here we need to create the plan category, that is a budget 02. I have already created cost center budgeting. Category usage would be cost center based budget. Then copy allowed. Here usage will be cost center budgeting, and that would be the new by copy another plan category. This checkbox should be like allow. Save your transaction. Now go back. Now go to our define budget, check for category. Here what we have selected, that is the budget 02 cost center budgeting, cost center budget. So ability control, this check should be enabled, and budget consistency check, this should be enabled. Yeah, so these are our basic configurations and settings to activate the cost center budgeting. Now we need to maintain and do some changes in cost center master. For that we need to use Fury. Go to Fury. This is a master data. Under master data, manage cost center. Provide your controlling area. In my case, my controlling area is 8000, and the cost center, that is the 17101101. This is my cost center. So within this cost center, I want to activate the cost center budgeting. In cost center master, within the control tab, you need to activate the log secondary cost planning. That should be on. Log revenue planning, that should be on. And below this option, budget availability control is here. So these are very new features within SAP. Budget carrying cost center, that would be like a similar and same number of your cost center. This is your profile, what you have created in beginning. And budget availability control, that should be active. So after enable of this availability control check, system will start to control the budget what you have defined or assigned the budget for within your cost center. For assigning of your budget with reference of your cost center, go to SAP user, go to accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, planning, cost center budget, then change. The T code is KPZ2. Now my profile, I have activated for cost center budgeting. Provide your cost center, press enter. Here you can provide your budget value based of your period. Even if you would like to do year based, that is the complete annual budget. So it is a complete like up to you. How would you like to assign your budget, month wise or you annual wise? The budget master, the budget control, which I have shown you in Fury, budget carrying cost center and budget availability control. Yeah, these three options are available in your cost center master, and that can be seen in your table. This is a CS case. Provide your controlling area and your cost center. I will show you. Look, this is the budget carrying cost center. This is the budget activation profile, and this is the ABC. That is your budget availability control. X, that is applicable. With help of this basic settings and configurations, You may control the transactions which is happening or which is going within your business, within your system. So this is a new functionality. Please let me know if you have any concern, if you have any questions or doubt. Please let me know. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you. Thank you.